In this video, I want to tell you as a parent how you can help your daughter or your son with the math. Hello everybody, and my name is Paul Van Webster, author of the book called Just Pass Math, a success guide for parents and students. So today I want to talk about how you as a parent can help your daughter or your son. So make sure also that you stay to the end of this video because I've got some amazing bonuses for you and you don't want to miss out. So option number one, how can you help? Obviously, if you have a strong math background, then obviously it will be much more easier for you to help your daughter or your son. But make sure also that not just to explain it just because you know it, but to explain it so that your son or daughter can understand the work. And the other option will be, let's say for instance you don't have a strong math background. The other option will be to do your research on YouTube or any search engine. So let's say for instance your son is struggling with addition and he's in grade 5. So I will go to YouTube and go to the search box, type in the addition for grade 5 and then self-study basically. But remember, as I've mentioned before, that if you explain it, make sure that the student understand it, or your daughter or your son understand it. What you need to be careful of is, if you're working according to your own knowledge, is that if you know some math, make sure that if you explain the work that it is related to the syllabus. In other words, the chapters that they are dealing with at school. Because I remember one of my friend's dads, his brother, right? My friend's brother. So when his brother was in grade 10, the dad was explaining some math to his son. But it wasn't related to what he was doing at school. So he was doing multiplication. I mean, that is stuff you learn in grade 5 or in primary school, but he was in grade 10. Was it going to help him? Yes, maybe a little bit, but make sure that you don't waste time on things that is not really going to be tested on specifically. The other option will be to seek professional help. So the reason why I'd say seek professional help, because I know some of you will get advice from your friends or family members where you would like to apply, no problem, but make sure that they know what they're talking about and their results, or what they're talking about is not from an article that I've read yesterday. So seek professional help. There are tutors, there are free ones, there are paid ones. Obviously I do mention a few in the book. So make sure that you get your copy, and there's a variety of tutors out there. There's cheap ones, there's most expensive ones, there's private ones, there's group sessions where they have group sessions, and some teachers are giving classes, extra classes, right? So seek professional help, and especially if you don't have time, okay, but make sure that you also put in your part. Because if you see there are certain, if you, for instance, as a parent, and you take the math, the student's math notebook, right? This is where he's doing his classwork and all of those things, and he probably got some homework from the class or from the teacher, but he didn't complete it. So usually certain teachers will make a 0, or they will say incomplete. So if you grab the book, the notebook of your son or your daughter, and you see those things, right, you can just scan through it, and then you can ask your daughter, you can ask John, why is this incomplete? Susan, yes, a 0 out of 15, why did you get 0? And then you can go to the class teacher and inquire about that. So there's a link that you should click here. I talk about influence now, that I specifically talk about getting advice from your friends and family members. So make sure that you check out that link. I will also put it in the description box. So here is the good news. The amazing news that you've been waiting for is that the course will go, the online course, the video course that I've been talking about now for the past few months, is going live this week. So it depends on when you're watching it, but it's going to go live this week. And other great news is that it's going to be free for 1 week. So make sure that you check your emails, because some of you guys are not on my email list. So make sure that you get on my email list, because sometimes I share amazing content where you can apply these things as well. So the online course is going to be absolutely free for 1 week, but after that it's going to change into a paid. Yes, there is the book, but I'm adding more value, and it's like an interaction between the online course, the video course, and yourself as a student or as the parent. Because remember, everybody learn things differently. Some people have to grab a book and read the book, right? And some people will have to watch a video like this and interact with the video. And the cool thing about the video course is, or any online course, especially the Just Pass Math course, is that you can stop, go to the toilet, and come back and press play. Okay, this is something obviously you can't do in class, and obviously you can go back, play it slower, play it faster. This is some things you can't do with your normal classroom or class teacher, math teacher. Okay, so make sure that you check the link below. It's only going to be open for 1 week. After that, it's in beta version, but I promise you the price is going to increase. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell, because every week I put out some content. Drop a comment, let me know what are you planning to do to make your, if you're a student, what you're planning to do to make your math journey a success. Peace out.